Wipe the treatment area. Apply anesthesia to the target area. Allow it to sit for 20 minutes. And then cleanse the area. Cover the recipient's eyes with cotton pads, then place the black goggles on. The operator must also wear goggles. Attach the 1064 nanometers treatment head to the handle. Settings. MJ settings, 800 MJ. Frequency, 2 Hz. Tap Ready button to start. Hold the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters from the mole area and press the pedal with each operation. Apply a repair product to the treated area. Settings. MJ settings, 350 MJ. Hertz, 1 Hz. Tap Ready button to start. Hold the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters from the mole area and press the pedal with each operation. Install the tip onto the 808 handle. Sterilize the tip using saline solution. Provide goggles for the recipient. Select 808 755 1064 nanometers diode laser on the screen. Settings. Tap the facial icon on the screen, select the treatment area and skin tone, then tap SHR stack. Stack 1, 2 to 5. Fluence, 50 gels per square centimeter. Cooling level, 4. The operator must wear goggles as well. Gently insert the treatment tip into the nasal cavity, avoiding direct contact with the inner walls. Repeat the process 5 to 8 times. Remove the goggles. Handle cleaning. Clean the tip with saline solution and dry it thoroughly.